I'm Johna Lawlorja. I was undercover to finally take Huang's operation down. We were getting it all on camera. We can still solve this. The confidential informants come forward. I just need 1 weekend.
What's the handoff?
Taipei.
Absolutely not. After what happened last time, go relax. The drugs will still be here on Tuesday, and so will Quan.
All right.
Joey, my love, where were you today? My trial started.
Ready? Who's the snitch?
That's an excellent question.
I can finally take him down.
I don't know why you married him. Sometimes it's easier to forget the past.
Joey, it's been 15 years. Whoever broke your heart is not coming back.
What are you doing here? How did you find me?
Mom, who's this?
Mom, you have a son?
John, Quan is sending him right now.
You bring me my wife, and you kill Johna Lawlorja.
You're in trouble now. Seriously, who is this guy?
I see you haven't changed a bit.
Everyone, shut up and let me drive.
This is between you and me!
I'm not gonna lose you again.
You're supposed to be dead.
Give it a minute, kid, and your mom will take care of that.
Guys, what are you doing
We
here?
forgot our keys.
You're stealing cars and he's punching everyone? Who are you people? Get in.
Where's your mother?